Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting on the Oakley Fuel Cell lens change now. Hold the frame firmly by the outer temple with both thumbs. One hand supports the lens from behind. Apply steady outward pressure at the temple hinge while lifting the upper lens edge slightly. This releases the top clip. Once the top gives, slide the lens down and away from the nose bridge with controlled motion to free the lower retention. Make sure to keep the frame tensioned so plastic doesn't. Now remove the old lens completely and check the new lens for dust and correct orientation. Start by tucking the lower lip of the replacement into the lower groove of the frame. This anchors the lens. Once seated, lift the top lens edge toward the top clip and press inward at the temple so the top tabs slide under the retaining clips. You'll feel a subtle snap when it locks. Take your time to keep the lens flush so optical alignment stays true. Finish by inspecting the lens seating from multiple angles. Look for even gaps and a continuous seal. Once done, gently flex the temples to ensure clips hold under normal tension. If the lens doesn't click in, don't force it. Instead, remove and reseat starting at the lower lip to avoid bending. Make sure to clean fingerprints with a microfiber cloth and test for visual distortion through both eyes before wearing. One troubleshooting tip: if a corner binds, back out and realign the knot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.